Hi, my name is Jay Joel. I'm an award-winning industrial design consultant at jjoel.com. Invention road mapping utilizes mind mapping to design a custom plan for your unique ideas, needs, wants, including a task timeline, so you and I know exactly what we need to do to get to the next task and how much time it's going to take. So we are a step closer to bringing your physical product into the market. We implement Maslow and Campbell's law and psychoaesthetics. Psychoaesthetics definition: the study of psychological aspects of aesthetic perception. Psychoaesthetics process overview: research, synthesis, key attractors, hero's journey, design execution, moment of truth. This is the PA map. The top left hand quadrant, artistic quadrant, represents pure beauty without much function or interaction and focus on fashion. For example, visiting the Mona Lisa is an experience. Bottom left quadrant, basic quadrant, is utility focused and requires little involvement from the user, like a paperclip. It does its job well, however, isn't something you really remember doing. Top right hand quadrant, enriched quadrant, represents the combination of function and beauty, engages in multiple senses, and tends to be lifestyle focused, for example, a sports car. The bottom right hand corner, the versatile quadrant, represents high levels of functionality, invites interaction, and is technology focused, such as a farming tractor. Competitive mapping: we place your competitors' products onto the PA map. We place them where we believe that they land on the PA map. We then do customer avatars. We then place them on the PA map. We then add back your competitors' products. This allows us to find a broader point on the PA map that serves a wider, broader range of customers. So when we go to the design process, we can create a design that is for each customer avatar. We used Viral Launch to obtain sales data and then to use your competitors that we've chosen to research, estimate costs per unit on Alibaba.com. So why an invention roadmap? Road mapping helps answer the important questions about your physical product idea before investing the time and capital to develop the product. We ask questions such as, what's the key value proposition? Who's the core customer? What do you need at minimum to take the product to market? So through road mapping process, we identify every opportunity that we can to discover your physical products, assume a more viable product, and to build a design roadmap to make sure that when you and me head into industrial design and product development, we're ready. We will discuss and discover various ways to get your product to market, from crowdfunding to more traditional methods such as seeking investors or bank loans. But simply, we do this to de-risk your investment. Creating a physical product is hard, difficult, and we want to understand that what you're building is something that could work. And road mapping helps ensure that your product and our process is planned before diving into the development. And the development is more quick, efficient, and effective. So the timeline for road mapping depends on the complexity of the physical product idea that you have. We dive deep into the concept of your invention idea so we can understand and find out what the core problem is and what solutions we can create around that problem. Take the road mapping session, check out, and I will then send you an intake questionnaire. From the intake questionnaire, I will then book a one-on-one Skype call